refused to compromise for the past 3 decades. The only crime of Omoyele Sowore is the fact that he has refused to wine and dine with the corrupt politicians. The only crime of Omoyele Sowore is the fact that he has refused to bend. The only crime of Omoyele Sowore is the fact that he has refused to take the examples of Reno, Omokri and Bwala. The only crime of Omoyele Sowore is the fact that he has stood up for every Nigerian, irrespective of your tribe, irrespective of your religion, irrespective of your social status. Release Omoyele Sowore. Go after the bandits. Go after the bandits. Fragile children. Make Nigeria work again. We believe in a new Nigeria, and together, irrespective of the division the government wants to create, we are going to join forces together and take back our country.
All right. See, something.
Free Sowore!
No.
Free Sowore!
No.
Free Sowore!
No.
Free Sowore!
No.
Revolution!
No.
Protest is a fundamental human right.
Yes.
Freedom of speech is a fundamental human right.
Yes.
You cannot make us beg in our country. We are citizens and not refugees.
Yes.
Bwala Tinubu, you cannot threaten our freedom.
Never.
You cannot give us a bad life and also seize our voice to cry.
Never.
You can't dare.
Yes.
You will free Sowore.
Yes.
Not because he is a saint, but because he has done you no wrong.
Yes.
If you think you are not a criminal, go to the courts and prove yourself.
Yes.
You forfeited $460,000 to a drug case in the US. Are you not supposed to be checked? Your certificates are not tallying. The primary school you said you attended, it was not in existence as at the time you quoted it. Bwala Tinubu, you are the person of a particular concern.
Exactly.
You should be the one under investigation.
Not
you should
Sowore.
be the one in court and not Sowore.
Yes.
Bwala Tinubu, you are a beneficial of protest.
Yes.
You are one person who participated in protest and
Yes.
benefited from protest.
During the
But
military
now,
junta,
you are president
you
and you want to
cannot
steal
oppress
our
us.
voice.
Yes.
You cannot.
You cannot.
CSS, I'm using this medium to call on you to go outside your cases. We must dismantle this structure, this criminal structure. We must dismantle it. Every person has intelligence on them. There is investigation, except the actual criminals and terrorists. The criminals in government, there is no investigation on them. There is no intelligence. Those who are calling for a better country, there is investigation on them. There is warrants to arrest them. We cannot continue like this. This desperation, this rascality, it will only destroy this country. Free Sowore. How many weeks the children are still in the bush in Oyo? As we are talking, those children are still there. The cut head of teacher, cut the head of a teacher on camera. DSS cannot locate the killers, but DSS is in court, Federal High Court, prosecuting one civilian. What a tragedy of a country. What a shame of a government. Nigerian youth, we must not be discouraged though. The more they come, the more we resist. The more they try, the more they resist. At the end, Nigeria must walk. Tinubu, APC, Ori Buruku Leshe. Oshi Leshe. Ori Buruku Leshe. Una go arrest Aya.
Megaphone! You have to talk like a comrade. You have to raise.